In this video, we're going to open up the cases and show you all of the components that are available in the FLAIM system. So your system's arrived, we're going to open up the cases and we're going to make sure that everything's travelled okay. Each case contains a tick sheet to make sure that all the components are available. And in our smaller case, you've got the manual that runs you through the full setup of the system. In the small battery support case, we've got our batteries, we've got our instructor iPad, chargers, USB power adapters, country-specific power cable, and our tracking puck for our hose. Pretty much everything that needs to be charged is in this one case. In the second case, we've got the hose reel, nozzle or branch, and all the support components required for the system. Once again, there's a check sheet that can make sure that everything is in the system every time you set it up and pull it down. We've got the hose reel, the branch, a number of the tracking technologies required, and under here some more cables. Everything should be in the kit as per the check sheet. In the third case, we've got our heat suit, our respiration BA mask, our virtual reality head-mounted display, our SCBA backpack, and 2 tripods for the tracking system.